Hi everyone, for this exercise, we are going to compare leaves. First thing you do is you have to go out, find two leaves from two different plants, and you have to decide which one will be leaf A and leaf B. So for example, I have already here two different leaves from, of course, two different plants. So this will be my leaf A and this will be my leaf B. Step 2. Look very carefully at the two leaves. Okay, and then you have to make a list of 3 features that are the same in both leaves. For example, let's say first feature, it could be probably the color, the surface, or the length. Okay, so you have to again observe these leaves carefully, leaf A, leaf B, and write down 3 features that are the same in both leaves. Next, you have to write down the features that you listed here in your workbook. So you have the first feature, the second, and the third. Step 3. Now you have to look for the differences between the leaves. You have to write down the descriptions of the differences in the table of your workbook. You have to check the differences between these two leaves. Okay? So first feature written in your workbook is the length. So you have to take your ruler, measure the length from this tip here to this tip. Okay, and then record the results on the table. And then you also measure leaf B. Okay, from tip to tip. And you do the same thing to the shape. You observe the shape, you observe the color, you observe the surface, if it's smooth or if it's rough, the texture, and if it's shiny or probably not shiny. Okay, so you have to observe the differences. And then the edge, you also check the edge. Okay, check the edge. And then you also check the pattern of the veins. For example, this veins right here or at the back, I think it's more visible. And then you also do the same to leaf B. Okay, check the patterns. And then when you have completed your table, you're good. Okay, so you have to complete this table. And then the next thing that you do is to take a picture of your work. You put these leaves on top of your workbook. You take a picture of it with your completed exercise, and then you submit it to Teams. Thank you.